Service warning millions to prepare for what could be the most crippling storm in years. The system, fueled by Gulf moisture from the south and supercharged by some of the coldest air of the season, will stretch some 2,000 miles.
So Roanoke is where my parents live in Virginia, and it goes all the way to Roswell, New Mexico. See where that Charleston is?
Mm-hmm.
We're a little north of that. So actually,
Yeah.
we're outside of that, so we might be okay. We'll still get it.
Over to Shreveport in the ice, it goes from the mid-south into the mid-Atlantic as we go into Saturday.
And your furnace more than likely running as we speak. We're waking up to frigid conditions. We gear up for that major winter storm tomorrow. Conditions are going to deteriorate fast as we go through the overnight hours with bands of heavy snow setting up throughout the day on Sunday. This is going to be our biggest winter storm in years, even over a decade. Let's look ahead to that alert date tomorrow.
Really?
Inches of snow in Clarksburg, 15 in Morgantown, and a whole lot of
Oh,
snow everywhere.
Morgantown Lab, less
12 News team was spread out across
10
the
years?
region, sharing coverage from areas like Morgantown, Fairmont, and Buchanan to give you a first-hand look of the whiteout. But most of this coverage was taken right in reporters' front yards and apartment complexes.
Oh, just in front of their court.
In Fairmont,
Yeah,
people in
front
Clarksburg,
yard.
Bridgeport, like you mentioned, Buchanan as well. So that was a really unique perspective.
That's why people say you're not going anywhere,
Different areas and different
because it's
ways.
just covered.
And so being in Fairmont, I was able to give that kind of
That's the road.
first-person perspective.
Fairmont. Are we? Yeah, we're
We're near
included in
Fairmont.
yeah. We're
What the storm was like there in Marion County at the time.
Just
Marion County.
fashion communities banded together to help dig one another out of the snow and ensure everyone was taken care of. And of course, you can't get hit with more than a foot of snow without taking advantage of a great sledding opportunity and a good old-fashioned snowball fight.
And I went outside.
Oh.
20 inches.
I'll remember that
20
forever.
inches,
This is
more than a
experience to
1
be
foot.
able to
Foot and a half.
be a part of that.
Yeah.
I grew up in Pennsylvania, so I, grew up with the snow, but that was just a really
Oh,
cool,
look at those birds.
Cardinals.
So if we do see the snow we're expected to get this weekend, it may feel a bit more nostalgic.
Freeze. Put this over this. Put a rubber band on it. It's not very long.
Yeah. Wow, it's so cold.
happening. If you're frustrated and
Oh, wow. You think it's good?
They're messing about work.
What happened? Do you have
The
work?
roads look like ice covered. Mine look like crap.
Love, it's raining.
It's bleeding. It's like frozen rain.
Yeah?
Frozen rain.
Frozen rain?
Yeah. What?
Oh, it looks like it's ice now.
It's crunchy. It's kind of frozen.
Why we use this now?
Usually there's a better room. That's more for a house, but
Yeah.
you can use anything, I guess.
This is for Agio.
Huh?
For the
For the
dirty on the roof. For the
Well,
dirt on
you
the
can use right.
Oh, I cannot use it. Like, I need to do it like this. Oh.
You can push it. Yeah, like you can break it up a little bit.
That's better. I want to experience it.
Why are you making your wife do that?
Oh, we have ice. I'm enjoying it. We can make halo-halo now, Lovey.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun. Not every day.
Yeah.
Oh,
Big pieces.
looks like I put it in.
It's kind of hard to get all of it. As long as I can move it. I might try the car and see if it'll go over. Yeah.
Okay, Lovey, come here. Let's take a photo here. Wait, guys, we're walking on the snow. Oops.
Frozen.
Yeah. Lovey, where are you? And it's raining now. Look at our backyard. It's raining, love.
Sleeting. Here's the frozen rain.
Oh, I feel like it's more here. Can I have a picture here?
Okay. Yeah.
This is our back porch. Look at that snow. Even the going here on the side. Okay, I need to. Oh, whoa. Oh. Look, it's ice now.
Yeah, everything is ice.
Why?
Because of the frozen rain.
It's supposed to be my back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You need to do like
I
this.
can't bend very well.
Oh, really? They can see you, eh? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Actually, it's not gonna work very well because it's not fluffy.
It's not working, guys. It's
It's ice.
What's the reason why it's become
Frozen.
like this?
Frozen. It was snow. If we did it at like noon today, it would have been okay. But now it's freezing rain.
What that it means? It's because of
The freezing rain's making it colder and more like ice. It's making everything colder on top.
Okay. Okay. So cold. But this is actually better than what we expected, right, love? Because we expected more than one.
Maybe another 6
foot.
inches.
Yeah.
Or more. Yeah, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
As it was. Alright, let me shovel it.
Do you need help?
I kind of don't want you doing it from the back.
Labi, why? Are you going to work tomorrow?
I think so. Maybe. I mean, hopefully not. They haven't said for sure.
I'm wearing a Scottish, what you call this, love? A Scottish
hat.
Yeah, hat. Maybe Linda, they will see me enjoying the snow. They will see me enjoying the snow. Yeah. Do I need to make it very
No, just low. Don't even worry about that part. Just do the middle.
Wow.
Just be careful because it's gravel right there. I think gravel. Just don't dig too deep.
Okay, just that.
Just a little bit. Yeah, careful.
Take a picture of you.
It's hard to take a picture on the gloves.
So heavy.
Okay. Okay.
They found a new job.
There was someone in town saying they would train people to shovel the driveway.
This is one of my dreams.
You have a low bar.
Huh?
You have a low bar of dreams. Shoveling.
But not every day. Just once a year.
Yeah, just be careful.
Did they put salt?
Yeah. Not fun already. That's okay. It's already kind of broken. That's it, yeah. If you get that, we'll be good. Don't wear yourself out. Car's coming. Get out of the way. Yep, you're good.
Okay now?
Yeah, I can get through that. That's fine. Yeah. I'll show you my young Scottish wife back home.
Young Scottish. Oh yeah, I'm a Scottish girl today.
You're a wee lass. Okay, let's go back in. My fair Daisy Lynn.
We might slide, Labby.
Sashanak. Come inside.
I'm scared that we might slide. Okay.
Coming. Right now they have us opening late, I think.
But you cannot go. Look, it's still snowing outside.
Yeah, no, we're not going. But it's weird, like the branches south of here are going at 10. Some are closed. No, Beckley. Yeah, Beckley's closed. The Virginia branches are closed. If Beckley's closed, we should be closed. I have to put it downstairs. Maybe I have to wait till it melts. Because it's kind of dangerous to walk down there.
Yeah, you might slide. Oh, it's so cold. Look at that. Labby, this is so dirty. How to remove this?
What is it? Remove what? It is old. It's just gonna look like that. Just be careful. That thing's
Why?
heavy. It don't fall.
I'm just removing
You
the
can dust
dust.
it. Yeah, I would just dust it, but I wouldn't. It's not gonna get clean. It's probably like 100 years old or something.
Huh?
I mean, no, 100, maybe 50.
150?
No, maybe 50 years old at least. Between 50 and 100.
This one.
That's a year old or less.
You don't know this. That's
Well,
just a
my
formality.
grandmother, like she received that from somebody, so I don't even know where she got it. And then when she died, I got it.
This is from your
My
mama.
mama's mom. Mom's mom.
Nanny.
Betty Bowler.
What is name? What is nickname? What is her nickname?
Mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Papa and Mama.
Okay.
But my mom called her parents. It's probably on the back, but I don't remember looking on the back how much year it was made.
How about this one?
I bought that online. That's not very old. Maybe 10 years old. It was like a print.
Online?
Actually, Pastor.
Love, this is Christmas.
Oh yeah. Pastor did a sermon when he moved when he moved me in. He did a sermon on the hanging.
This part is always good.
Here.
This. Bye.
I love you.
You don't need to do that, Lobby. You don't need to go. Look at that.
Might take
Love, it's so...
I gotta warm it up.
He will just get a mail on that side, on that area. On this snowy. Ooh.
let it melt. I got to turn the defrost.
It's snowing again.
It's kind of frozen, so it's kind of hard. It's gonna work because it's hard.
Yeah, that's a hard look.
Sure.
That's good.
You kind of have to have the blue behind it so you can see the shape.